Want to go from $0 to $1,000 online without talking, showing your face, or paying for ads? Here's how. Step by step. Step 1. Pick a niche people actually spend money in, like digital products, AI tools, or fitness. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create an ebook, guide, or lead magnet in minutes. Step 3. Design it in Canva, clean, simple, and ready to download. Step 4. Set up your landing page and email funnel on System.io, it's free. Step 5. Make short, faceless videos with tools like Pictory or DID to promote your content across TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You don't need to go viral, just stay consistent. The tools are free. The content is automated. And the income? It stacks when you stay focused. Follow for more faceless income tips.